Yes, this morning I'm going to go to a place called Coloane Village. I think it's a small Portuguese looking village to the south of Macau. It's about 7.5 kilometres away. We get some breakfast there and have a look around before heading to the Giant Panda Pavillion. I'm going to see the pandas. Never seen a panda before in the real life. So looking forward to that. And the Panda Pavillion is free to enter. It's open between 10 and 1. I think there's a break and then it's open in the evening. So going to check the giant pandas out. And then it'll be time to hit the Cotai Strip. Visit the biggest casinos here. A few of them have got shows on in the lobbies. Different spectacles to draw you in. I know there's the MGM Cotai, there's the Parisian, the Londoner Hotel, there's others, I can't remember the names. So you got all the Venetian, same as in Las Vegas. I think a lot of them are similar to the ones in Las Vegas. So yeah, that's my day today. I think I'm going to wait till I get to Cologne for my breakfast. Yep, so let's go. See you in Cologne. Passing the City of Dreams. I think the Venetian on that side. Pop by later for a proper look. Big Ben.
Next stop is Northern.
Eiffel Tower over there. So I've arrived in Coloane Village. There's a famous bakery here. Try egg tarts. Before I leave, just going to look somewhere for breakfast. So I've got an hour to kill before the Giant Panda Pavillion opens. So I'll come and explore this little village. Everywhere looks shut at the minute. Market setting up. Hopefully there'll be somewhere open for breakfast. I can smell food. I was hoping for something traditional. Some noodles again. Not sure if I'm going the right way. Coffee and vinyl. Everywhere looks closed up. Might be a little bit early here. I have to consult Google and figure out where to go for breakfast and what to see here. Looks like there's a cable car up that hill. Biblioteca. Is that a library? Yeah, I think it's a library. Right, bring you back when I figure out what's happening. Looks like the Christmas lights are going up. Got a nativity here. Yeah, it's a nice little village. I think I'm definitely early. Not many people around, nothing open. Monkey bikes. Some street art here. The fishes, Nemo. There's got to be somewhere to eat. Little Wang Kai pork buns. I think these are famous. Lord Stow's Cafe, we've got a few options. It's either the Pork Bun or Lord Stow's Cafe. Coffee?
Coffee. 冰的就有。
Coffee? Milk?
这个。
Eating? Hang on. Yeah, okay, this one.
呢個要等10分鐘。
No, no have. You have tea? Oh, no, okay, and this one?
呢個。
Pint, yes.
One.
One, yes.
呢個。
Yes, one, thank you. Yes, I think I've ordered a pork chop in a pineapple bun. I don't think it's got pineapple in it, I think it's just what it's called, and a black coffee. We'll see what comes out. It was £5.60, so we'll see what I get. Thank you very much. Yes, there it is, the pineapple bun. Got a bit of slice of pork in there. I think I'm getting some clay pot coffee as well. I think that's what I ordered.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Ah, good. Oh, yeah, thank you. Yes, I think I'm getting coffee with condensed milk. Should be very nice. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
来了。
Ah, wow. Thank you very much.
要吗？
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we'll have it breakfast. Yeah, I think this place is famous, to be honest. So glad it was open. Let's see what the first time having a pineapple bun. It's not. I don't think it's actually got pineapple in it. Well, it might have. Right, pork's fantastic. Try the coffee, it's probably too hot. Wow, that's hot, very strong, lovely. Breakfast is some really old pictures of Macau here. Simple, wonderful. That was Wang Kai's pork bun. So I've arrived at Seac Pai Van Park. Come to see the giant pandas. I think there's some other animals here as well, but the main attractions are pandas, and they are free to go and see. Right, come in. Macau Giant Panda Pavillion and the information centre. We've got some ostriches, big birds. Go off on that big bird, ostrich racing. I think this is a panda pavilion, is it? Looks closed. Ten till 1. It's 10:35 now, 10 till 1. Entrance that way. Hope it's open. Entrance that way, closed. Don't know what's happening there. We'll go and see if we can see any of the other exhibitions. I'll be very disappointed if it's not open today. I think, what day is it today? Tuesday. I think yesterday was actually a public holiday. This one's closed too, unless you're running late. Oh, we've got the squirrel monkeys here. Yeah, so a bit disappointed, but it looks like the Giant Panda Pavilion's closed today. The guy's just giving it the X symbol. And I said all day, and he said closed, so I don't know if it's going to be open tomorrow. Let's have another look at the sign, see what it says. Yes, it doesn't say anything about specific days. Tomorrow? Tomorrow? Wednesday?
Come on.
Tomorrow? No? Goes tomorrow? Okay. Closed on Mondays and the following day. Okay, thank you. So I think it's going to be closed on Mondays, and on the following day, instead, if a public holiday falls on a Monday, so it's Tuesday today, so that explains it. So I think it will be open tomorrow. So I'll come back tomorrow. I'll head to the casinos now, go and check those out. Not sure which order to do it in. There's also the Macau Tower to go up. There are a few things to do still. Yeah, a bit disappointed that wasn't open today.